video is going to be about how I made my black eyed peas. Start out with your turkey neck bone. And then you get your chicken broth. We're going to pour that in. Okay, so we're going to pour this in, your chicken broth. And you're going to use the whole carton. Okay. Next, we're going to pour our peas in. I already washed them and cleaned them, so they're all ready to go into my pot. And I have drained the water off of them. Now we're going to go ahead and place these in the pot. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and stir these in. And this is just a simple way to do your black eyed peas for New Year or whenever you want black eyed peas. Okay. They're looking good already. Okay. Okay, next I'm going to use season blend. It's got all your onion, bell pepper, and all of it mixed up and already chopped up. And this is the best thing to use. And I'm going to go ahead and use some of that. I'm just going to go ahead and pour it in. Okay. Go ahead and mix this in real well. Now for our season. Okay, for your season, you're going to use some garlic powder. Just a dash of that in. Then you're going to use your onion powder. Good bit of that. And then you're going to use your puckery. I know I'm probably not saying it right, but it's puckery. Y'all just look over me what I'm saying. Okay. And then we're going to use some Kenya. Just a little bit. Then I'm going to use some pepper. And I'm going to use some little parsley. Just to give it a little extra flavor. And just a dab of salt. I'm not going to put as much salt because I think it'll be enough from all the rest of your season. But I'm just going to put just a little salt in it. Okay. Now, I'm going to turn this heat up on high. And then I'm going to reduce it down to low till we get ready to start cooking it. And we're going to cook it real slow for maybe an hour or two. We'll see. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and stir this in. Okay, how that looking? That looks so good. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, so my peas is done. Don't they just look so good? The meat is tender. And it just smells awesome. Now this is an easy recipe for some good old black eyed peas for your New Year or whenever. Okay, let's just taste them. It's already a hunk.
Okay. Well then, are we in this together?
Absolutely. The family's still there. They just need us to remind them. Which means you have to be a little flexible and spontaneous.
Okay, but being spontaneous is easy for you. You know.
I'd like to thank everyone for joining me, and I hope y'all try this at home. This is a delicious, quick recipe that you could do for your family for New Year or just anytime you like to have some good old peace. And if you have not already subscribed, please do. Just hit that subscribe button, and we'll be glad to have you in our family. And I hope each and every one of you have a happy New Year and a safe New Year. God blessings.